AOZ Studio.
Let's break the code. Hello everyone. You can now program a game or an app in AOZ Studio. AOZ? What's AOZ, you may ask? It's a new tool called AOZ Studio that lets you program without any coding experience. You can use it to make apps and games, and when you're done, you can publish your code and it will run on any computer or smartphone. And best of all, it's free to use. Welcome to this little video about the power of AOZ. Today, I'm going to show you a game that was made with just 20 lines of code using AOZ. And believe me, the code is so simple, it looks like my grandma's shopping list. As you can see, with Python, you need to learn a lot more code to do the same things. However, Python is very widely deployed and is known by many programmers. AOZ is very new, though the language is an evolution of an old but very accessible language called BASIC. With AOZ, you can program almost anything you can imagine. There are many free tutorials and a user guide to help you get started. Check out the 10-minute video on the AOZ Studio YouTube channel to understand those 20 lines of code and start making your own app now. Join our YouTube channel and Discord and let's break the code!